What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best stick vacuums in 2022. I've made this list based on cleaning performance, battery life, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an easy-to-use vacuum or the most powerful option available, we'll have the best stick vacuum for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive stick vacuum that can get the job done and reliably keep smaller spaces clean, the Black+Decker PowerSeries 2-in-1 Cordless is my choice as the best budget option in 2022. The Black+Decker PowerSeries 2-in-1 costs much less than the other options on this list, and it offers a versatile design for greater cleaning flexibility, bright LED lights to illuminate dirt, and surprisingly effective cleaning performance on carpet. It comes with a lightweight, compact, and cordless frame that's comfortable to push over different types of flooring, a foldable design for storage, and a detachable, handheld option to clean harder-to-reach areas. Unfortunately, the lithium-ion battery isn't as powerful as more expensive options like the Miele Triflex HX1, but it still provides around 30 minutes of continuous cleaning time, so it should be suitable for smaller homes or apartments. I also like that it comes with a built-in LED light, which illuminates your cleaning path and any nearby dirt particles to improve its cleaning efficiency. While it lacks the suction power and hard floor performance of the high-end Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, it offers 2 settings that are powerful enough to reliably handle smaller cleaning tasks, and it's surprisingly effective on medium and high-pile carpeting. You also get some useful cleaning accessories, such as a brush tool to help remove pet hair and clean more delicate fabrics like couch cushions, a crevice tool for corners, and an easy empty 500 milliliter dustbin for ease of use. Even more, it has a hidden onboard storage compartment, so you can keep your preferred accessories easily accessible. While it lacks the cleaning power of the premium Dyson V15 Detect, the Black+Decker PowerSeries 2-in-1 offers impressive cleaning performance for the price and a lightweight build that's comfortable to maneuver. If you don't want to spend too much money on a stick vacuum, but still want an option that can consistently provide solid suction power, good versatility, and respectable performance with smaller jobs, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants an ergonomic stick vacuum that offers enough power to reliably remove stubborn pet hair or dander, the Shark Rocket Pet Pro is my choice as the best stick vacuum for pet owners in 2022. With its solid suction strength, multiple cleaning modes to tackle various floor types, and innovative brush roll that's designed to capture hair more efficiently, the Shark Rocket Pet Pro is an ideal choice for cleaning up after your pets. It has a lightweight, flexible design with a swiveling floor head for improved mobility in tighter spaces, but it lacks a convenient freestanding mechanism to keep it upright like the Miele Triflex HX1. It also offers 2-in-1 functionality, so you can use it as a handheld vacuum for harder-to-reach areas like behind furniture. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery can last for around 40 minutes per charge, which is on par with more expensive options like the Tineco Pure One S11 and should be suitable for medium-sized homes. Even more, it comes with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a built-in HEPA filter to reduce most airborne allergens. It can clean a variety of surfaces well, but it especially excels at cleaning bare, hard floors. It features an innovative self-cleaning brush roll that's specifically designed to capture hair, and it substitutes traditional bristles with blades to prevent hair from tangling and reduce potential maintenance requirements. It also comes with multiple modes to adjust the suction power, including a low speed that's ideally used on harder floors like tile, a high-speed mode that works well on carpets, and a boost mode for spot cleaning, though it lacks the raw power of other options on this list. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro isn't the most powerful stick vacuum on the market, but it offers solid performance, good battery life, and several features designed to eliminate hair and dander, which makes it ideal for pet owners or homes with younger children. Some users might be looking for a solid stick vacuum that's easy to use and offers impressive all-around cleaning performance for the price. The Tineco Pure One S11 is my choice as the best vacuum for the money in 2022. Tineco has several solid models to choose from, and the Pure One S11 stick vacuum comes with an ergonomic design that's comfortable to use, respectable battery life, and plenty of suction power to reliably handle more demanding cleaning requirements. It has a sleek, lightweight design that should remain comfortable to use over extended periods, and like the Black+Decker 2-in-1, it offers convenient handheld functionality to clean tighter corners, behind furniture, and more. You get a sealed 4-stage HEPA filtration system that expels clean air and captures tiny dust particles, pet dander, and other airborne allergens, which makes it particularly useful for pet owners or busier households, along with a washable pre-filter to maintain effective long-term performance. It also comes with a 0.6-liter dustbin to handle larger jobs, a detachable 2500 mAh battery that provides up to 40 minutes of cleaning time, and an LED display with useful battery level indicators. It features a high-performance, reasonably quiet digital motor with 130 watts of suction power to clean a range of particle sizes and surfaces, including bare floors, rugs, and medium pile carpet. Unlike the previously mentioned options, it utilizes iLoop smart sensor technology, which detects the size of mess and automatically adjusts the suction power for optimal cleaning performance. It also offers Wi-Fi connectivity and a useful companion app that provides real-time performance monitoring, cleaning reports, maintenance reminders to replace components, and troubleshooting help for user convenience. The Tineco Pure One S11 is the best stick vacuum for the money because of its useful companion app, impressive cleaning technology, and comparable performance to some more expensive models. If you're looking for a cost-effective vacuum that comes with impressive power and several advanced features to provide a better, more efficient cleaning experience, this might be the ideal choice for you. Next up, we have a versatile stick vacuum that can be used in almost any situation without sacrificing cleaning performance. The Miele Triflex HX1 is my choice as the best stick vacuum for most people in 2022. Miele's Triflex HX1 vacuum is a versatile option that features a lifetime HEPA filter to reduce recurring costs, battery life that's on par with the high-end Dyson V15, and 3 flexible configurations to clean almost anywhere you need. Like the other options on this list, it has a lightweight cordless design, but you can rearrange the components in 3 ways for greater cleaning versatility, including a reach mode to clean high spaces like ceiling corners, a comfort mode to clean floors, and a handheld mode for smaller jobs. I like that it comes with a lifetime hygiene filter, so you won't need to purchase replacements, and it can remove up to 99.9% of microscopic airborne particles. The battery life is another key feature and can deliver around 60 minutes of cleaning, which is on par with the high-end Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. It has 3 power modes to optimize performance on different floor types, and it features automatic surface detection technology at higher settings to automatically adjust the suction power depending on the type of floor. It also offers plenty of suction power, so it's effective on harder floors, rugs, and high-pile carpets, and with particles of all sizes. Unfortunately, it has a smaller dustbin capacity than some competitors, but it's suitable for most jobs and very easy to clean. You also get several attachments, including an upholstery nozzle for delicate fabrics and an electric multi-floor brush with a built-in headlight. While it lacks the dustbin capacity and cleaning power of the V15 Detect, the Miele Triflex HX1 offers comparable performance across most types of floor at a lower price, and anyone who doesn't need the extra power might be better off saving some cash. This is ideal if you want a high-quality vacuum that can tackle almost any mess for a lower price than most premium models. If you're looking for the stick vacuum with the best balance between suction power, maneuverability, and all-around cleaning performance, the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is my choice as the best overall stick vacuum in 2022. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is a high-quality vacuum that comes with several useful features, including a laser headlight for targeted cleaning, top-tier suction to eliminate particles of all sizes, and a range of effective accessories. It has a balanced, lightweight frame that only weighs around 7 pounds, and it has a cordless stick design that's easy to move around. It has an easy empty dustbin that offers a 0.75-liter capacity, so it should be suitable for larger apartments or homes. The battery is another standout feature, and it delivers an outstanding 60 minutes of continuous cleaning, which is much longer than cheaper models like the Tineco Pure One S11, and it has an auto power setting that automatically adjusts suction power based on the service to conserve energy. You also get an advanced filtration system that eliminates almost all airborne irritants. The V15 Detect Absolute delivers class-leading performance on harder floors like tile or hardwood, and it has a convenient built-in light that illuminates dirt particles, but I would have liked to see a continuous power function for ease of use. It comes with multiple heads that allow for greater cleaning flexibility, including a laser slim fluffy head and a general-purpose high-torque cleaning head. Even more, you get several useful attachments such as a combi tool, a stiff bristle brush to eliminate stubborn dirt, a soft brush, a crevice tool, and a hair screw tool to capture longer hairs more efficiently. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is the best overall stick vacuum because of its impressive battery life, high-capacity dustbin, and superior cleaning performance to the previously mentioned options. If you can afford the price and want a high-quality stick vacuum that offers class-leading performance across all types of floors and multiple useful features, this might be the best bet for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.